here in this video, the topic of discussion is whether we are living in whether we are living inside a black hole. So we are going to examine this. Yes, this was suggested by many physicists that we are living inside a black hole. If you do not think much over this, then it will be easily ruled out by many of the people. But if you think over this deeply, then you will find that there is a chance that yes, we are living inside a black hole. Few cosmologists are there who are saying that think about a parent universe, not this universe in which we are living at present. Think about a parent universe and say there was a supermassive black hole. And you know that black holes are having singularities. And singularity is a point of infinite density. It has extreme level of gravitational pull or gravitational attraction. Curvature of space-time is extreme at the point of singularity. We are talking about singularity of black holes. Okay, so maybe there's a chance that from the singularity another universe was born. That point of singularity triggered off a completely new universe with new sets of rules of science or physics. You might have heard the concept of multiverse, almost like that. But the cosmologists who are saying that there is a chance that we are living inside a black hole. Since they are saying that there is a chance that our universe was born from the point of singularity of a supermassive black hole. So considering that thing, they are saying that we are living inside a black hole. Not exactly as you are thinking now, just by going through this video. Not exactly like that, okay? So, but the cosmologists, they are not clearly saying the process of formation of this universe from the point of singularity of black holes. They do not know the process, but they are making their guesses like this. Okay, maybe string theory should be invoked to examine whether this can be true or not. There is a requirement of invoking string theory. Anyway, so I have noted down a few points here, and I think I have already discussed all these points. Origin point means the point of singularity, that is the origin point of this universe. And next point was a connection to our universe. How the connection was there? Our universe was born from the point of singularity of a black hole. Okay, and that not inside a black hole exactly as you were thinking, as most of the people would think over this, that we are living at present inside a black hole. Exactly not that way. Okay. And next point is cosmological processes. Yes, cosmological processes are not known. Theoretical physicists are thinking over this. What may be the cosmological processes by which this may be possible? Means the birth of a universe from the point of singularity of a black hole. And the last point was written here, multiverse concept. And multiverse, you know that. Multiverse is nothing but a universe in which there are so many or infinite number of universes, and in each universe rules of science are different. Okay, so anyway, these were the 5 points and I have discussed all these points here, but the main point was whether we are living inside a black hole or not. That was the point of discussion of today's lecture. Okay, and the answer is that yes, there is a chance that we are living inside a black hole. Our universe may be the product of a black hole. Okay, anyway, so this is the end of this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.